In this tutorial, I will guide you on how to join the Discord community for Dead Rails. So follow this tutorial very carefully. Now, the first step you need to do, just go to the Roblox website and log in. And after login, go to the chats section here, or can just search the game here, which is Dead Rails. For example, I go to the chat section here on the top trending, and the game is trending on number 1. So I'll just click on the Dead Rails game here. Now it will take you to this page here. Scroll down on the Dead Rails page game here, and we see the section which called social links. Select join the community. After selecting join the community, it will take you to the Discord page here with an invite link. Just copy an invite link here from your browser. Launch the Discord app, which is here. So just open the Discord app, select add a server, which is a plus symbol here, and then select join a server. Then select invite link here. Just paste this link and then select join a server. And after that, we'll be able to join the Dead Rails Discord community. As you can see here, I've already joined the server, which is a Dead Rails. So that's it. It's very easy. Just follow the instructions and you'll be able to do so.